Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin a group chat to the top on the WhatsApp app for PC using the new update. This simple feature makes it much easier to keep track of your most important conversations without having to scroll through a long chat list. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see your list of recent chats on the left-hand side of the screen. This list is usually arranged by the most recent messages, which means your group chat could move up and down depending on activity. Pinning it ensures it always stays right at the top. Now, find the group you want to keep pinned. Scroll through your chat list and locate it. Once you spot the group, move your mouse over it and right-click. This will bring up a small menu of options. From this menu, click on Pin to Top. The moment you do this, you'll notice the group jumps straight to the top of your chat list. A small pin icon will appear next to it, letting you know it's been successfully pinned. That's it. The group will now stay at the top no matter what other chats or messages come in. This makes it especially useful if you're part of a busy work group, a study group, or even a family chat that you want quick access to at all times. If at any point you want to remove the pin, the process is just as simple. Right-click the group again and select Unpin Chat. The group will then go back to its normal place in the chat list, moving depending on your latest messages. This feature is a small addition, but it can save you time and make your WhatsApp desktop experience much more organized. Whether you use WhatsApp for work or staying in touch with friends, keeping your top groups pinned helps you stay focused on what matters most.